Istanbul.
Do your little emote.
No, not on YouTube.
We're in Turkey and there are a bunch of yellow cars, so Matilda keeps getting slapped.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can't know 10 slaps, you can't know 10 slaps, you can't know 10 slaps.
Swag.
Very nice.
Okay, you can say what do you actually think? We got ripped off, didn't we, at the spice market?
Yeah.
Yeah. They made us pay. It's just very stressful. Just be wary.
£22.
£22 worth of dried fruit. We did get quite a lot, but
Not that much.
no. And also like the pressure. We went in and they gave us like tea and what else did they give us? Like they kept giving us free samples, so you feel like you have to buy it. Really stressful. And the guy like enticed us in, and he like started speaking to us, like he was having a conversation with us, and then it basically transpired he wanted to take us to this place, which we'd kind of seen coming, but he was so forceful. It was really stressful. Anyway, not from this market, but I got a ring. That fits quite nice here. My little sister's in my room at the moment. I'll show you guys my ring. But you thought of getting a ring, didn't you? But you didn't in the end.
Yeah, it's so nice.
It's like orange. I'm not sure what it's made of. It's probably plastic, to be honest. I'm gonna put it underneath probably this one or this one. I haven't decided. So I'll let you guys know when I decide. But anyway, it's quite cute. Is that actually recording me?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Good morning. I'm gonna do a fit check and Freddie, get out of the way, otherwise we'll be in the video. Yeah, it's my linen trousers again. My brother finds me incredibly embarrassing. And my new ring, I found the place for it. It can't be sad, but I put it here. I don't actually know what we're doing today. But see you.
My little camera.
Yeah, Bee's got a little camera. heading to dinner.
Yeah.
I was running late. I got a wet plait. Hi.
What?
I said I was running late because my hair is in a plait.
You just say I'm blue?
No, it's not. Yes, it is.
See, I know a lot of it.
No, the worst thing is it just kept going, like the noise was just... You do get crazy.